So here I am at Yashwantpur Junction and I'll be boarding 16211 Yashwantpur Junction Salem Express. But this time it is covered by 40527 Namma Krishnarajapuram WDP 4D. So here we go. 16211 Yashwantpur Salem Express till Hosur.